Hello everybody, today's video is about how to reset the ABS on the R1100 series. Reset. So if your ABS isn't flashing properly, this is how to fix it. ABS light reset. Does your ABS light do this? Irrespective of whether you're riding or not, as soon as you turn it on, it just flashes. You cannot stop it doing it, no matter how many times you start it. But there is a reset which you can do. So the first thing you have to do is remove the seat, or both seats in effect, on these bikes. Seat is off. You will see a little plug there. Little plug, 3 wires, doesn't go anywhere. What that plugs into is BMW special tool to reset the ABS. I'm going to show you how to reset the ABS without the special tool. BMW used to charge 48 quid for this. So what you have to do, the central wire, the central connector, you have to earth. What I normally do, I just put a test reader in there, earth the other end to a convenient spot on the bike, and you have to hold that into position and keep it there. Then on the switch gear, you've got these 3 switches here. On this particular bike you can't see what they're for, but that one there is the ABS light. That turns the ABS light. If you push that, then the lights stop flashing. They just flash once instead of continuous flashing. You can see it's flashing up and down. If you push that button, it stops flashing. So that is the ABS off button. So what we have to do, we have to hold the off button down. We have to earth the central wire earthed, ABS button held on, hold it down for 10 seconds, and then when you let go you'll see 2 lights and then solid as shown here. Then you can turn the ignition off, then when you go back on, it's as it should be. Then once you disconnect the earth and you let go of the button, the lights go back to how it should be, and the ABS is now working as it should be. It's been reset, so you can start the bike and use the bike as normal. You don't need to buy an ABS unit, you just need to reset it. That's it. There you go, then that's how you reset the ABS. Now I know quite a few people think that when those lights flash alternatively it needs a new ABS unit or there's major work needs doing, but that reset is very simple. In the old days when those bikes were fairly new, you had to go to BMW to have that done because nobody knew how to do it. Luckily we found out how to do it. My mate bought one of those bikes and it was only a couple of years old, well probably less than that, and his ABS light started flashing like I've just shown you. He took it to BMW's and they went, oh yeah, she'll have to leave it with us for about half an hour to an hour. It was 48 quid, which in those days was a lot of money. It's a lot of money now, but I mean it's a lot more than what it was is today. He went for a cup of tea, walked down the road, oh no, I've left my bloody wallet in the top box. He's walked back to the dealers. As he's walked back, the mechanic is pushing his bike out of the workshop, and he said, is everything all right, mate? And the mechanic went, yeah, it's all done, mate, yeah. He'd literally been there about 3 minutes. So he went into the dealers. He said, "Oh, is it done yet?" I went, "Oh, no, it won't be done yet." "Oh, no." He said, "I've just seen the mechanic with it." I think he got on it straight away for you." They still charge him 48 quid. So all they're doing is plugging their machine in, going click, click, and it's it done. Yeah, it's even worse than that nowadays. I mean, so anybody that buys a new car is really strapping themselves up into big financial burdens. But anyway, yeah, that's the ABS reset on the R1100s. I think it's a similar situation on the 1150s. I can't remember. I've probably done it on the 1150s, but I'm not going to say it is because there might be a few differences. But that's definitely the R1100 series. Okay. Nice to show you another trick, and see you soon. Take care. Bye.